morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. In this, we are going to discuss about the electrophilic substitution of phenol, bromination of phenol. What is bromination? Bromination means addition of the electrophile Br plus is called bromination. The H plus ion of benzenic hydrogen is replaced by Br plus is called bromination. For that, the required molecule is bromine water Br2H2O. If the solvent is changed, the product is also changed. Compare with the other solvent, water is high polar solvent. Therefore, the reaction takes place in both ortho and para position. And also remember that the OH group in phenol is ortho and para directing group. Ortho and para directing group. Therefore, the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in both ortho and para. Remember, water is a high polar solvent. Therefore, at the same time, ortho para hydrogens of phenol are replaced by Br plus. Now, we write the molecular formula for phenol C6H5OH. This is our phenol. Undergo bromination in the presence of Br2, bromine water. I will tell the color of bromine water. This is one alpha hydrogen, another alpha hydrogen, one para hydrogen. So, in Br2H2O, you are adding Br plus. Where this Br plus is present, in Br2 we have Br plus. The electrophile added is Br plus, separate that Br plus Br2, so Br. Now write that Br2 molecule near ortho and para hydrogen. Here you have one Br2 and Br2 for para hydrogen, one more Br2 for another ortho hydrogen. One H plus from benzene ring, electrophilic substitution, and Br minus from Br2 is removed as HBr. If this Br is removed as Br minus, charge on this Br is plus. That plus is added to minus. H plus para carbon and Br minus removed as HBr. This plus is added to minus. This H plus and Br minus removed as HBr. This plus is added to this minus. This plus is added to this minus. So, each H plus ion of phenol is replaced by Br plus. The molecular formula now becomes C6H2. Only these two carbon atoms now contain hydrogen. Here you have one OH, ortho carbon one Br, para carbon another Br, ortho carbon one Br. Totally 3 molecules of HBr are removed. What is the name of the product? You know, in phenol, when you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, parent compound is phenol. In second position, fourth position, and in sixth position, 3 bromine tribromophenol. Tribromophenol. The 2,4,6 tribromophenol is a colorless compound. Colorless compound. This is one of the tests to identify phenol. What is that test? Phenol decolorizes bromine water. Bromine water is yellow in color. When phenol is added to yellow colored bromine water, it decolorizes the yellow color. D means removal, color, removal of color. Why the bromine water is decolorizes? Due to the formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. And one more bromination we have by changing the solvent, less low polar solvent now we are going to use. Next is also bromination, addition of Br plus electrophile to benzene nucleus is called bromination, but here in the above reaction we used Br to H2O, water is high polar solvent, but here we are going to use Br2 carbon disulfide or Br2 chloroform CHCl3. Carbon disulfide or chloroform CHCl3 are low polar solvent. The reaction is carried out at low temperature, gives only monobromophenol. Monobromophenol. Phenol C6H5OH. Now I separate the alpha hydrogen first, ortho hydrogen first. The reaction takes place in presence of Br2 in the solvent carbon disulfide and heated to 273 Kelvin or 278 Kelvin. Both are same. Addition of Br2, H plus from ortho carbon of phenol and Br minus is removed as HBr. This Br plus is added to that minus, gives monobromophenol C6H4. Here you have one OH and one Br. What is the name? Orthobromophenol. And again one para hydrogen, separate product are obtained, undergo bromination, Br2, one para H plus and Br minus is removed as HBr. This plus is added to this minus, gives C6H4. Here you have one OH, in para carbon one Br. Totally 2 HBr are removed. What is the name of that compound? Para-bromophenol. Para-bromophenol. In this bromination, I would like to tell one thing. Usually, the halogenation, either chlorination or bromination, halogenation takes place in the presence of Lewis acid, ferric chloride or ferric bromide. This Lewis acid polarize the halogen, convert the halogen into plus and minus, convert the bromine into Br plus and Br minus. Usual in halogenation reaction, the halogenation takes place in presence of the Lewis acid, ferric chloride or ferric bromide. What is the purpose of using the Lewis acid? The Lewis acid polarize the halogen. But in the case of phenol, there is no Lewis acid is used. In this bromination, Br2 in water and also in Br2, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide. Why? There is no Lewis acid is used, because OH group is phenol is highly activating group. The OH group polarizes the bromine into Br plus and Br minus. Therefore, there is no need of using Lewis acid in the bromination of phenol. In other compound, we will use FeCl3 and FeBr. So remember, in phenol, the OH group is highly activating group. This activating group polarizes the Br2, Therefore, there is no need of Lewis acid in the bromination of phenol. In all other bromination, except aniline, in all other bromination, we use Lewis acid used to polarize the halogen. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. In the next video, we are going to discuss about nitration of phenol with more excess point. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.